my phonics superheroes, and welcome to day 27 of my Phonics Boost. Well done on all your hard work so far. I hope you've seen a boost in your skills and your confidence too. But of course, we've still got more to learn. So, phonics brain switched on, superhero listening ears turned on, and let's get started. As our focus sounds are still quite new, I'm going to sound them out first and then I want to hear you. Are we ready? Z, s, o, k. Excellent. One more time. Z, O, K. Excellent. Right, it's going to be just you now. Excellent. Now I know you know these sounds, so it's just going to be you. Excellent. I know you can do these ones quicker. Are you ready? Excellent. Now I'm going to put our older sounds with our newer sounds. Are we ready? Oh, put those ones first. Excellent, well done. And of course, we're not going to forget the sounds that we've been learning earlier. These were a bit longer ago, so I'll say them first, then I want to hear you. O, v. Your turn. Excellent. And we've got these ones as well. We've got E, B, A. Your turn. Excellent. And we've got these ones from even further ago. N, P, G, I, O. Your turn. Excellent. And we've got these ones as well from even longer ago. We've got S, A, M, D, T. Your turn. Excellent. But the sound that we're going to be focusing on today is the S sound. Now the S sound is a digraph because two letters make one sound, and the S sound is a long sound. S, s, s. Let's practice saying it. My turn first. S, s, s. Excellent. Now we've practiced saying the S sound, let's find some objects that use the S sound. So in my magic box, I've got some objects that use the S sound and some that don't. And I need you to help me sort them out. Are we ready? Not again! My magic box is empty. I think we need some phonics magic. Can you remember our magic spell? That's right, we say hocus pocus, phonics focus. Let's say it together. Hocus pocus, phonics focus. Let's see if it worked. Phew. Now, with our objects that use the S sound, the S sound is at the end. So you may need to make sure you're thinking and you're listening really carefully to all of the sounds in the word. Are you ready? Glass, yes. Duck, no. Dress, yes. Zebra, no. Floss, yes. Well done. So I'm going to put our objects back in the box, and this time I'm going to pull them out much faster, and I need you to tell me yes or no. Are we ready? Excellent, well done. Now we're going to have a go at some oral blending. For our oral blending, we need to make sure our superhero listening ears are turned on. I sound out each word and I want to hear you blend it. Are we ready? B-O-S. Boss. M-E-S. Mess. F-A-S. Fuss. Excellent. Now we're going to move on to reading some words. So my reading superstars, for our new S words, I'm going to sound them out first and then it's going to be your turn. Are we ready? B-O-S. Boss. Your turn. Boss. M-E-S. Mess. Your turn. Mess. F-A-S. Fuss. Your turn. Fuss. Excellent. Now we've done them once together, just you. Boss. Mess. Fuss. Excellent. Now I think you're ready for a challenge word, and our challenge word today is press. My turn first. P-R-E-S. Press. Your turn. Press. Your turn. Press. Excellent. Your turn again. Press. Excellent. Now it's time for a rewind and let's go over some of the words that we've been working on over the last couple of days. Now, because we've already done these ones, just you. Zip. Zap. Excellent. And this word we've done a couple of times. Let me see if you can just read it. Are we ready? Fox. Excellent. Want to hear you sound it out and blend it? Fox. Excellent. Now moving on to our tricky words, and our new tricky word today is some. 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 Excellent. Let's see if we can remember the tricky words we've been working on for the last couple of days. Want. Do. Have. Excellent. Let's do them together. Want. Do. Have. Excellent. Let's put them with our new one. Are we ready? Want to hear you. Want. Do. have, some. Excellent. There are a lot of words there. Well done. So my phonics superheroes, we're nearly at the end of day 27. Amazing. Well done on all of your hard work so far, but we're not finished yet. We're going to go through our focus sound a few more times and then we're going to play a little game. Are we ready? So because these focus sounds are still quite new, I'm going to say them once. Make sure we're listening. Z, s, o, f, k. Right, now just you. Excellent. Do you think you can do them quicker? I know you can. Excellent. Do you think you can do them even faster? Are you ready? Excellent. Right, time for our little game. I'm going to take one of the sounds away and I want you to sound them out and tell me which one's missing. Are you ready? Which one was missing? Excellent. Right, which one am I going to take away this time? Are we ready? Which one was missing? Excellent. And last one I'm going to take away. I'm going to take this one away. Are you ready? Which one was missing? Excellent. And that's it. You've finished today's learning. Well done you on all of your hard work. I'm very, very proud of you. Make sure you give yourself a great big pat on the back. 1, 2, 3. Well done me. And I can't wait to see you for day 28. Bye.